Hey YouTube, let's start with the chain cleaning and lubrication today. Hope you guys are doing good. So first I have removed the chain guard. As you can see, now I will be removing the gear lever and the engine cover. So 10 number spanner for the gear lever and 8 number spanner for the cover of the engine. So yeah, let me remove it. जल्दी करो भाई, कितना देर वेट करना. Okay, let's see the dirt. Oh, okay, it's pretty dirty. I have done only 250 kilometers from the last chain cleaning and lubrication. I am using diesel for cleaning the chain sprocket and chain. So spray the diesel around the front sprocket area. And then pour the diesel on the chain. Use your hands to rotate the wheel. Don't start the bike as your finger may get smashed. So I have got this brush from Amazon. So pour more amount of diesel so that all the dirt particles will just come out. As you can see, the dirt particle along with the diesel is dropping off. Then use the brush to clean all the sides of the chain. Do it आराम से, do it carefully. And this is very cost effective, friends. I have used only 20 rupees per diesel, and you can use kerosene as well, but please don't use petrol as it will damage the gasket of the O-rings present in the chain. So when you keep doing this, I think the engine also will be good, and the chain sprocket and the chain will last long. Clean the sprocket as well. Use the flat brush to clean the sprocket. As I told before, clean all the sides of the chain, top, bottom, sides. Let it be cleaned thoroughly. You can use a link for the identification of for cleaning. Clean the front sprocket area and the sprocket very well. Spray good amount of diesel. It doesn't take much. As you can see, I am using both spray and the bottle with the hole so that it will be easier for me. And take a clean cloth, wipe it thoroughly, because you cannot remove the dirt fully, so you have to wipe it. Be careful about your fingers while wiping and cleaning the chain or lubing the chain, because one of my friend lost his finger. Bad luck for him. He had started the bike and he was thinking he's the greatest guy and he was doing it, but he lost his finger. So clean it thoroughly. Wipe the chain 2 or 3 times. You can see the amount of dirt. You can see the amount of dirt. Then you clean the sprocket and the teeth of the sprocket. While cleaning, make sure the teeth of the sprockets are good enough. It's not worn out. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on my videos. Use a pressure water to clean the chain, because it is very useful to clean all the dirt particles. Don't worry, it won't remove the diesel or it won't cause rusting, as later it will be completely dried. You can see how clean my chain is looking now. Clean all the sides of the chain. Let me show you how much dirt it is. Spray the diesel around the cover and use a brush to scrape it off. You can see the amount of dirt going off when you are using the spray. That is because of the force of the diesel and force of the diesel kya sorry force of the sprayer. Okay, you can see it is pretty clean. Now the chain is also cleaned as well. Now take a dry cloth and then wipe it off. Wipe the chain completely. Let it dry completely before lubing. I think better to leave it for few hours in the sun or dry it completely. And clean the front sprocket area as well. And teeth of the front sprocket. And clean the chain cover as well. Just spray a few drops of diesel and then use a brush to remove it off. Now you can see the amount of dirt coming out. You can see that. Now wash it with water, then wipe it off and fix it back. I'll be not fixing the down cover because I have to lube it. अरे ये गिर रहा है यार. Tighten it properly. And then fix the engine cover back. As I told you before, it takes 8 number spanner. Tighten it as well. इतना मेहनत कर रहा हूँ यार. लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. अच्छा नहीं है तो बोलो, कमेंट करो. I will grow because of you people. Fix the gear lever back. That takes 10 number spanner. Tighten it very carefully. Let it be very tight so that it doesn't fall off. You can see the clean chain. Now you rotate the wheel for few minutes so that let it be warm before lubing it. Now you can see it is completely dry and clean. I'll be starting the bike and oiling it. I'll be using 90 gear lever oil, not the typical chain spray, chain lube. I'm not using that because I myself have found out that 90 gear lever oil is better than the spray. I did YouTube, Google it, and I used it. I got to know it is better. So you don't have to over lube it, you just have to lube. You have to lube the inner side of the chain because if you put it on the outside, there is no use. You can use a toothbrush to make it evenly spread on all the sides. The links between should be lubed very well because there only the O-ring lies. So after lubing it, let it stand for 1 or 2 hours. Later you are good to go for a ride. Spread evenly all. See, you can see it is very much lubricated between the links. These links should be lubricated. See you, friends.